In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to transactions in Xero. To get started, sign in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the correct organization if you have access to more than one. This helps avoid attaching documents to the wrong record, especially if you manage multiple businesses or accounts. Next, open the transaction where you want to add the file. This could be an invoice, a bill, a purchase order, or another type of transaction in Xero. Take a moment to double-check that you've opened the correct transaction before uploading anything. That small check can save time later if you're working with similar documents. Once you're inside the transaction, look for the Files area. Depending on the transaction type and your Xero layout, you may see an option labeled Files or Attach Files. Click that section to open the attachment area. This is where you'll manage any supporting documents linked to the transaction. Now click Upload Files. This will open a file browser on your computer so you can choose the document you want to attach. When the browser window appears, navigate to the file's location, select the correct file, and then click Open. Common attachments include receipts, supplier documents, signed approvals, or backup paperwork that helps support the transaction. After selecting the file, give Xero a moment to upload it. The upload time may vary depending on the file size and your internet connection, so just wait until the process finishes. It's best not to close the window or move away from the page while the upload is in progress. If the file is already stored in Xero's file library, you can use that instead of uploading it again. Simply click Add from File Library and choose the file you want to attach. This is a useful option if you've already saved documents in Xero and want to keep everything organized without creating duplicates. Once the upload or selection is complete, confirm that the file appears in the transactions attachment list. This step is important because it lets you verify that the correct document has been added successfully. After that, save the transaction by clicking Save, Approve, or Save and Close, depending on what options are available for that transaction. Saving ensures the attachment stays linked to the record. Finally, reopen the transaction and review it one more time to confirm the file is attached properly. This final check gives you peace of mind that everything has been saved correctly and will be easy to access later. Thanks for watching.